Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Preschool Art. So today we are going to make some cherry blossom trees. So I love spring, it's my favorite season. I love all of the flowers and the blossoms and how everything is turning green again after being dead in the winter. So we're going to do these beautiful spring cherry blossoms. For our project, we will need some paint. I have pink and white because those are the colors that cherry blossoms are, and then some brown for the tree branches. We're going to need some paper, a paintbrush, and a cotton ball. So to get started, we're going to draw some branches, or you can do the whole tree, the trunk, and then spread out with all the branches. I'm just going to do the branches, like we're taking a close-up picture of some cherry blossoms. So we'll get that on here. The branches like to spread out in all different directions. See if we can capture that. All right. So once you have your branches or your tree painted, I'm going to take our cotton ball with our pink and white paint, dip that in there, and then start putting the paint around the branches, like our cherry blossoms. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and let that sit over here to dry. That can be everything if that's all you want to do. I want to go ahead and make some flowers to go on top. So I'm going to just put this on another piece of paper, and when this dries, I'm going to cut them out into flowers and put them on top to give it some more definition, a little 3D. Okay. All right, so my paint has dried. So I went ahead and cut out some little flower pieces. So I'm going to use the glue to glue these pieces together, and then we'll stick them to our cherry blossom picture. That one there. Fold the corners up a little bit so that we get the 3D effect. Some glue on there. And then we'll stick that down. Make sure we get the edges up. There we go. I'll do that with my other pieces. All right, and you can do as many as you would like. All right. So there we go. We have some beautiful cherry blossoms for the spring. I hope you enjoyed that project, and I hope that we get to see you in the library soon. Bye.